Hey guys, so my other thing came in, as you can probably tell, and this was the thing I was the most excited for. What? I thought it would be a little bit more squishy, not like a rubber thing, but hey, it counts. And it's a cute little owl. Like, how cute is that? They're Halloween themed, but I thought they'd be a lot more squishy, so I am kind of disappointed. This is what's the Game Master or the Scare Master, I don't know. And then the last one. This is obviously a shorter video because it's only one package, but I need to bring y'all along my fidget journeys. Oh. I'm your biggest fan. Paparazzi. The only one that's not Halloween themed is this one. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. And remember, above all miles, I hope you had a great Halloween, and, well, smile like a crocodile.